Hi lovely people, how are you? If you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing the July 2018 Lola box. I'm also going to I have everything on my face that is in this box, and I'm also going to do a little review. I had everything on now for about 3 or 4 hours, so I can give like a mini review of what I think of everything, all the products that's in this box. I know a lot of people have unboxed this, so I want to do something a little bit different and let you guys know what I really think about the products. So let's just begin. This is the second time I'm doing this because the first time something was still in the bathroom, and I don't edit my videos, so I just had to start all over. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like this. This is not how it came. Everything's a mess because I did open everything up. So the first thing that we have is from Juice Beauty. This is a green apple cleansing bar. Now I really like Juice Beauty. They are organic, which is nice. And this is a bar of soap. It's not made for your face. It says for your body. I don't know if I would put this on my face. I will use this. So it's just like a regular bar of soap. I'm sure this has to be a sample size. So of course I haven't tried this yet, but I will try this tonight. And how much does that say that is? That would be $12? That can't be a full size. I would not pay $12 for this little itty bitty bar of soap. No way, no way. Okay, the next thing we got is from Wander Beauty, and we got a few of these. I have been trying a lot of subscription boxes. I really like this brand. I have tried the under eye, like eye mask. I have tried their sheet mask. I can't remember what else. Their mascara I really like, and so I'm glad to finally try their lipstick. And what does this say? This is their Wander Beauty Dual Lipstick, and this is $30. One thing I don't like about Lola box, if you can see their font, it's very hard for me to read because it is in white. Sometimes it comes in like yellow, and I just don't have really good eyesight, so it's hard for me to read that. All right, so let me show you what this is. This is really, really nice. So this is the packaging, and what the cool thing is, on both ends takes out, this is just like a little plain little thingamajiggy, and you have dual-ended lipsticks. And I have them both on my lips today. I have the darker shade on first, and then I have the lighter shade just right in the middle. But let me take some swatches for you. These are gorgeous, nice and creamy. These remind me of the new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks, and there we is, right there. Very pretty. Those are the swatches of something else that's in this box, but like I said, I had to start over because this is what I forgot in the bathroom. Okay, so I really like this formula a lot. Okay, the next thing we got is, what is this called? Doll 10 Illegal Eyes Mascara. I never even heard of this brand before, and that's why I do like subscription boxes, because you do find brands that you never heard of. If I didn't tell you, Lola is a $21 a month subscription. And how much is this? So this would be $20. Now I did watch my friend Abadabs do her video, and she swatched it on her hand. It was very dry, but I have that on today, and I really like it. I don't have a problem with it. Let me look in the mirror now. No fallout or anything like that. I usually always use like 2 or 3 different mascaras, but for the purpose of this video, I just have this on. Would I purchase this on my own? Probably not. I like it a little bit more, you know, volume and stuff, but it's not bad. I will use this again because I did get it in my subscription box, so I'm not knocking that, but I would not purchase this on my own. Okay, the next thing we got is this from Estetica. This is a contour, highlight, and blush palette, and I have it swatched right here. That is the contour shade, the blush, and then right there is the highlighter. So let me tell you about this. So it comes with a mirror, and this is what it looks like. I love the highlighter shade. I really, really like this highlighter shade a lot. The blush, when I swatched it, I thought, oh God, it doesn't give a lot of pickup. But when I used a brush and put it on, am I blurry again? Let's see. Let me take a cup and see. I don't know what's going on with this camera, but it gets blurry a lot. And but when I put it on, I really, really like the blush a lot. This contour shade, let me show you. Look at that. Can you even see it on my finger? It is so pale that I tried it on with the brush, 2 different brushes, and you couldn't even see it on my face. So as I was reading this, you know, it says that it complements any face. And I don't see that at all. I don't even know why they say that, because if I am pale, so if this hardly picks up on me, it's not going to pick up on a lot of people. So I don't know why they said that, but I don't know. I won't ever use that, but I will definitely use these two. And that highlighter I really, really like. Did I tell you how much that was? Let's see. How much was that? That is $25. And I don't know if I told you we did try this brand in the BoxyCharm with our brushes, which I didn't like and I believed it was overpriced. Would I pay $25 for this? I don't know. I mean, I want to say no, but I pay $30-something alone for just a highlighter for the Ofra that I love. So I'm not sure, but like I said, I definitely will use these 2 shades. Okay, last but not least, and this is the one I did not like. So it came in the box like this, and this is from Cinema Secrets. This is a super sealer, and I do know that this said it was $14, and this thing is itty bitty bitty bitty. This is very small. I do not like this. Let me explain why. This is the mist. I don't know if you guys can see it. So when I put this on my face and I put it far away, it like, boom, it hit me in my face. And I didn't like it. What I usually do when I use setting spray, I don't know if it really works, like if it keeps your makeup on for longer. But what I like to use it for is to melt all my powders in so it can look like skin. That's why I like it at the end of my application. So I always put it far and put it on, and then I go back with like a beauty blender or a sponge and I push it in. When I did that, I had streaks of makeup from just even spraying this. So I don't like the mister on this at all. I mean, I literally had to go back in, put more concealer on, put more powder on, apply the blush and everything again, because it looked horrible. I don't know if it's the formula or I know it's definitely the sprayer, but I will say this does seal your makeup, because if I had more time, I would have took all my makeup off and redid it, because it just sealed in what was on there already once it dried, and it was hard. And then I had to like put more makeup on top of that. So when I get done this video, I am going to wash my face off. I think if I put this in a different bottle and maybe sprayed my sponge a little bit and, you know, pushed it in, it will work, because it does seal your makeup. So I like that, but I just don't like how it just started coming off. It looked like I was outside in the rain, you know? So I don't like this. I don't even care if it was $5. I don't know. I really don't know about this. So I don't know. I'm going to try it in another bottle in different ways and see if I like it. So there we go. Then with this, like I said, I will use the highlighter and the blush. This mascara I will use again, but I'll probably use it with another mascara. I love this lipstick. I like these regular lipsticks better than the liquid lipsticks, and the shades are absolutely beautiful. The formula honestly reminds me of the new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks, the cream lipsticks. Really, really like that. And this, I'm not sure why they put this in the box, but I mean, I'll try it, but I would never purchase this for $12. I mean, but I'm glad that they put that in there. And I want to show you this. My favorite bronzer that I have been using is from the drugstore. It's from Neutrogena and is in the shade 30. I love this so much. If you haven't tried this, I really recommend you to try this. I really, really like it. And so that's everything that was in our Lola box. I didn't add everything up, so I will leave it down in the description bar, this description box, how much everything came to. And let me know what you think of this box. Do you think this is worth $21? Let me know. Would you purchase this? Do you get this? What did you think of it? What did you think about this? Did you try this? And let me know what you think about this. And I don't know. I really don't have anything else to say, but please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this box, and I will leave some more videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.